Fun. Animal superpowers.
Atlantic bluefin tuna. A single one of these extraordinary fish once sold for over $3 million at a Japanese auction. Explorers, this is the ocean's most valuable athlete. Across the Atlantic Ocean, bluefin tuna race through currents at speeds exceeding 40 miles per hour. These incredible animals, honestly, rival sports cars in acceleration, powering their torpedo-shaped bodies with muscles that never stop moving. From the moment they hatch until death, bluefin tuna swim constantly, covering entire oceans without rest. Here is what makes these wild animals truly extraordinary. Atlantic bluefin tuna are warm-blooded, which is, a rarity among fish. Special blood vessel networks heat their muscles, eyes, and brains above surrounding water temperatures. This biological furnace allows them to hunt in freezing depths and tropical surfaces alike. Watch a bluefin tuna dive over 3,000 feet pursuing squid through crushing darkness before rocketing back towards sunlight. Their retractable fins fold into body grooves, eliminating drag and maximizing speed. Every feature, really, screams evolutionary perfection. Atlantic bluefin tuna migrate from their spawning grounds in the Gulf of Mexico all the way across the entire Atlantic to European waters, and then back again. Fishermen throughout the United States have shared stories of these legendary animals for generations. Their annual journeys remain among nature's most impressive feats. Young bluefin tuna play in schools numbering thousands, learning hunting strategies through cooperative chases. These social animals communicate through body movements, coordinating attacks on sardine schools with military precision. Tragically, overfishing has devastated bluefin populations worldwide. Their astronomical value makes conservation incredibly challenging. Every trending video and educational story raises awareness about protecting these magnificent creatures before our world loses them forever. Learning about Atlantic bluefin tuna reveals how fun yet fragile ocean ecosystems truly are. These living missiles deserve protection, not extinction. What ocean animal amazes you most? Drop a comment sharing your thoughts below. Hit that like button, subscribe to Fun Animal Superpowers, and dive into more viral wild animal adventures. More fun educational video journeys await you.
Fun. Animal superpowers.
Jonah crab! These amazing crustaceans have superhero strength in their claws that can crack open the toughest shells with ease. Did you know these oceanic warriors can regenerate lost limbs? That's right. If a Jonah crab loses a claw during a battle, it can grow a brand new one. These masters of disguise blend perfectly with the rocky ocean floor, making them nearly invisible to predators. Their hard exoskeletons work like suits of armor, protecting these incredible creatures from danger while they explore the mysterious depths of the Atlantic Ocean. Jonah crabs have extraordinary patience, sometimes staying completely motionless for hours while waiting for the perfect moment to snatch their prey. Their special eyes can see in multiple directions at once, giving them almost 360-degree vision to spot both food and danger. These fascinating creatures make their homes among the rocky bottoms of the Atlantic coast, from Nova Scotia down to Florida. Jonah crabs love cool waters and can be found scuttling across coral reefs, hiding in underwater caves and exploring kelp forests. Their beautiful habitats are like underwater playgrounds for kids learning about marine life. Jonah crabs have distinctive chocolate-brown shells with cream-colored spots and powerful claws with black tips. Males can grow up to 6 inches across while females stay a bit smaller. These creatures are part of the Cancer borealis family, related to the famous rock crabs that kids often learn about in science class. Did you know Jonah crabs are nocturnal? During daylight hours, these clever crustaceans hide in rock crevices, but at night they come alive to hunt for clams, mussels, sea stars, and even smaller crabs. Their diet makes them important for keeping underwater ecosystems balanced and healthy. Communication between Jonah crabs happens through special chemical signals and fascinating claw displays. When mating season arrives, males perform elaborate dances to attract females. After mating, female crabs carry thousands of tiny eggs under their bodies until the baby crabs hatch and begin their own underwater adventures. Scientists studying marine life for kids have discovered that these crabs play a vital role in recycling nutrients on the ocean floor. Their feeding habits help clean the seafloor and maintain the health of marine environments that many other animals depend on. On our Fun Animals for Kids YouTube channel, we believe learning about creatures like the Jonah crab helps us understand the importance of ocean conservation. These amazing animals face threats from pollution and overfishing, but by sharing trending educational videos for kids, we can help protect these fascinating creatures. Want more wild animals and funny viral animal stories? Subscribe to Fun Animals for Kids for more exciting video adventures in the amazing world of animals.
Fun animal superpowers.
Shih Tzu. These magical little dogs have an almost supernatural ability to sense human emotions. Shih Tzus possess extraordinary patience, making them perfect companions for kids learning about pets. These fluffy friends can adapt to almost any living situation, whether it's a tiny apartment or a sprawling mansion, making them super versatile pets for families around the world. The incredible Shih Tzu has remarkable longevity, often living 10 to 16 years, giving children plenty of time to grow alongside their furry friend. These dogs have special cooling abilities too. Their long double coat actually insulates them from heat and cold, working like nature's own air conditioning system. Did you know Shih Tzus have a superpower called lap radar? They can detect when you're about to sit down and will race to claim your lap before you even reach the chair. These playful pets are perfect for kids wanting a funny and loving companion. Shih Tzus have an ancient royal history dating back over 1,000 years in China, where they were treasured by Chinese emperors and considered sacred. Looking at these adorable dogs, it's easy to see why they were treated like royalty. Their name actually means little lion in Chinese, though these friendly furballs are anything but fierce. The distinctive features of Shih Tzus make them instantly recognizable in the animal world. Their beautiful flowing coat requires daily brushing, making them excellent pets for teaching kids responsibility through fun grooming activities. Their large round eyes peek out from under a curtain of hair, giving them an alert and curious expression that kids find absolutely irresistible. Shih Tzu puppies are born completely black and white, developing their beautiful range of colors as they grow. This makes watching a Shih Tzu puppy grow an exciting learning journey for kids interested in animal development. In homes across the world, Shih Tzus bring joy with their playful antics and affectionate nature. They're wonderful companions for educational play, helping kids learn about animal care through hands-on experience. On our YouTube channel, Fun Animals for Kids, we love sharing trending animal stories that make learning fun for kids. These viral little dogs have captured hearts worldwide with their charming personalities and adorable appearance. Remember, if you enjoyed learning about Shih Tzus today, there are so many more wild animals and educational videos for kids waiting for you. Subscribe to Fun Animals for Kids for more exciting animal adventures that make learning about our animal world both educational and fun.